slip knot and chain 60. Make 5 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the same chain where we were making double crochet. Single crochet into the next chain, chain 6, slip stitch to the top of single crochet. And repeat for each chain. Single crochet, then chain 6 and slip stitch to the top of single crochet. Now you can pause the video to finish it and I will meet you after. And that's how it's going to look like. Let's hide the ends. I will use a needle for this task. Take a wooden stick, green yarn and a hot glue. We are going to roll around the wooden stick with the green yarn. We will cover only the half of the wooden stick. Apply the glue, take the green yarn and roll around. When it's done, let's glue our main part. For that we apply the glue on the top part and then just put the lavender. And again we are just going to roll around the stick. Here is the final result. Hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!